To remove a print head from HP 8710 and 8715 printers, what we do, we open the front door, the ink cartridge access door. The printer carriage comes over to the left, and then we're going to lift the latch in there. This gray latch, it's usually in gray color. This one right here. We're going to pull it from the back upwards. Sometimes it's black in color, but mostly it's going to be gray like we see it here. As we lift it, our print head is now loose, and we can just pull it up a little bit and gently pull it out of the printer. This one is a very good print head. So this is what it looks like, and if you want to just work on the print head, you definitely want to put this latch back down and close the door. And just let the printer sit without the print head for just a little bit. Don't let the printer sit without a print head for a long time. This will also apply to HP 8600 series, 8610, 8620, 8630, and all of the 8600s, 8600 plus, 8600 premium printers. If you like this video, we were able to help you out. Please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thank you.